Nature is full of wonders and mysteries, but some of these wonders go beyond imagination. In this exploratory journey, we will take you on a tour to discover the 15 strangest plants on Earth. Plants that will make you rethink your concept of flora. Some resemble living creatures, while others carry bizarre traits as if they come from another world. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer diversity and strangeness of the plant kingdom, a realm where reality often surpasses fiction. From the heart of rainforests to the harshest deserts, join us as we unearth the secrets of these botanical marvels. Our journey begins in the depths of the Southeast Asian rainforests, home to a most peculiar plant, Rafflesia arnoldi, more ominously known as the corpse flower. This parasitic plant, lacking leaves, stems and roots, exists as a network of threads within the tissues of its host vine. Then, in a display both spectacular and repulsive, it unfurls the largest single flower on Earth. This fleshy, 5-petaled monstrosity can reach over 3 feet in diameter, boasting a mottled reddish-brown coloration that resembles rotting meat. And the resemblance doesn't end there. The Rafflesia emits a powerful stench, akin to decaying flesh, attracting carrion flies that act as its unwitting pollinators. From the giant Rafflesia, we move to the miniature world of carnivorous plants, where the Venus flytrap reigns supreme. This inhabitant of the subtropical wetlands of the Carolinas in the United States might seem diminutive, but its trapping mechanism is a marvel of evolution. Imagine, if you will, 2 hinged lobes, fringed with hair-like cilia, and tinged with a tempting red hue. These are the Venus flytrap's deadly jaws. When an unsuspecting insect, lured by the plant's sweet nectar, brushes against the trigger hairs on the inside of the lobes, the trap snaps shut in a fraction of a second, imprisoning the prey within its spiky embrace. The plant then secretes digestive enzymes, breaking down the insect's body and absorbing its nutrients, a macabre yet fascinating example of nature's ingenuity. Our next destination takes us to the Socotra Archipelago, a land often described as the most alien-looking place on Earth. Here, amidst the arid landscape, grows the dragon's blood tree, its bizarre umbrella-like silhouette a testament to the power of isolation in shaping life. This evergreen tree, with its dense crown of upturned, sword-shaped leaves, seems to defy gravity. But it's the tree's crimson sap that has earned it its mythical name. When the dragon's blood tree is wounded, it bleeds a bright red resin, once believed to be the blood of dragons, prized by ancient civilizations for its medicinal and dye properties. Chapter 4: Titan Arum, a gigantic stink bomb. We return once more to the realm of putrid perfumes with the Titan Arum, another monstrous flower that earns its nickname the corpse flower with good reason. Native to the rainforests of Sumatra, this colossal plant produces the largest unbranched inflorescence in the world, a towering structure that can reach over 10 feet in height. Like its smaller, foul-smelling relative, the Rafflesia, the Titan Arum relies on deception for pollination. It emits a powerful stench, reminiscent of rotting flesh, attracting carrion beetles and flies that mistake the flower for a potential meal. The insects, covered in pollen, then unwittingly carry out the plant's reproductive bidding as they move from one Titan Arum to another. Chapter 5: Hydnora africana, the alien underground. Prepare to be amazed by the Hydnora africana. This parasitic plant lives underground attached to host roots. Its flower emerges like a gaping maw with leathery, reddish-brown petals. The flower emits a feces-like odor, attracting dung beetles for pollination. Chapter 6: Welwitschia mirabilis, the ancient survivor. Our journey takes us to the desolate Namib Desert, one of the driest places on Earth. Amidst the harsh conditions, survives a plant as ancient as it is bizarre, Welwitschia mirabilis. This remarkable plant is a testament to adaptation. It has a short, woody stem and a taproot anchoring it in the sand. Its most striking feature is its 2 leaves. These leathery leaves grow from the base and are unique in the plant kingdom. Chapter 7: Brazilian monkey pot tree, nature's water cooler. Our next stop takes us to the rainforests of South America, where we encounter a tree with a rather unusual fruit, the Brazilian monkey pot tree. This towering tree is named for its large woody fruits that bear a striking resemblance to clay pots. But these pots are more than just curious looking. They serve a vital role in the rainforest ecosystem, providing a source of food and shelter for a variety of animals. The hard outer shell of the fruit contains seeds that are dispersed by animals, while the inside of the fruit contains a sweet edible pulp that is particularly appealing to monkeys. Chapter 8. Mimosa pudica, the touch-me-not. From the towering trees of the rainforest we move to the delicate world of the Mimosa pudica. This sensitive plant, also known as the touch-me-not, is native to South and Central America. Its fern-like leaves fold inwards when touched, shrinking away from disturbance. This rapid movement, called seismonosty, is a defense mechanism against herbivores. Chapter 9. Amorphophallus konjac, the stinky delicacy. Prepare your senses, for our next encounter is not for the faint of heart. We travel to Southeast Asia to meet the Amorphophallus konjac, a foul-smelling yet fascinating plant. Known as the voodoo lily or devil's tongue, it emits a pungent odor to attract pollinators. The smell, like rotting flesh, attracts flies and carrion beetles. Despite its aroma, it's used in traditional medicine and cuisine, especially in Japan. Chapter 10. Black Bat Flower. From the shadows, it blooms. Our journey now takes us to the shadowy understory of Southeast Asian rainforests, where we encounter a plant that seems to have emerged from the pages of a Gothic novel, the black bat flower. This striking plant, with its dark velvety flowers, is a true marvel of nature's artistry. The flowers, which can reach up to a foot across, resemble bats in flight, with long whisker-like bracts that dangle down like a bat's legs. These bracts can grow up to 2 feet long, adding to the plant's eerie beauty. The black bat flower is a pollinator's dream, attracting insects with its dark coloration and its musty, somewhat unpleasant odor, reminiscent of rotting meat. Chapter 11. Ravenala madagascariensis, the traveler's oasis. We journey now to the island of Madagascar, a land of unique biodiversity, to meet a plant that has played a vital role in the lives of the island's people. The Ravenala madagascariensis, more commonly known as the traveler's tree. This iconic plant, with its distinctive fan-shaped crown of leaves, is a common sight in Madagascar's landscapes. It gets its common name from its ability to store water in its leaf bases, providing a welcome source of hydration for thirsty travelers. The leaves themselves are also useful, providing material for thatching roofs and weaving mats. Chapter 12. Puya chilensis, the sheep-eating plant. Our next destination takes us to the slopes of the Andes Mountains in Chile, where we encounter the fearsome Puya chilensis, the sheep-eating plant. This imposing plant can grow up to 10 feet tall, with a rosette of spiky leaves and a tall flowering stalk. Its sharp, backward-pointing spines trap animals, which then die and provide nutrients for the plant. From the harsh slopes of the Andes, we travel to the equally challenging environments where Barakia makes its home. This resilient plant, with its delicate-looking purple flowers, is a testament to the power of adaptation. It thrives in places where few other plants can survive, such as salty coastal areas, arid deserts, and even cracks in rocks. Its ability to tolerate extreme temperatures, drought, and salinity makes it a true survivor of the plant world. Our journey into the strange and wonderful world of plants brings us to the forests of Southeast Asia once more, where we encounter a plant that seems to have flown straight out of a nightmare. The Taka chantrieri, also known as the black bat flower or devil flower. This unusual plant gets its name from its distinctive flowers, which resemble bats in flight. The flowers, which are actually bracts that surround the plant's true flowers, are a deep, almost black maroon color, and can grow up to 12 inches across. They are borne on long, drooping stalks that can reach up to 2 feet in length, giving the plant an eerie, otherworldly appearance. Our journey concludes with a touch of elegance as we explore the world of Cymbidium orchids. These exquisite flowers, native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, are prized for their beauty and their long-lasting blooms. Cymbidium orchids are epiphytic, meaning they grow on other plants for support, and they produce clusters of large, showy flowers that come in a wide range of colors, from pure white to deep pink and vibrant green. Unlike some orchid species that bloom annually, Cymbidium orchids may only bloom every few years, making their floral display all the more special. We've seen plants that defy description, plants that resemble living beings more than flora. This journey shows us once again how strange and astonishing nature can be. From the gigantic Rafflesia, engulfing the forest floor with its pungent bloom, to the Venus flytrap, patiently awaiting its unsuspecting prey, the plant kingdom never ceases to amaze. Have you ever wondered what we might discover next? What other secrets lie hidden within the verdant embrace of our planet's flora? The journey of discovery never truly ends. There will always be new wonders to uncover, new mysteries to unravel, and the plant kingdom, with its boundless diversity and endless capacity for surprise, will always be there to remind us of the extraordinary beauty and strangeness of the natural world.